The Jamaica Social Stock Exchange, JSSE, is seeking funding for 3 projects slated for social intervention. Managing Director of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, of which the JSSE is a subsidiary, Dr. Marlene Street Forest, says the listed engagements are the Stop the Violence project, formerly Love Changes Lives, being administered by the Spring Praise Jamaica, which is seeking $17 million. The Shalom project, submitted by Choose Life International, that is seeking to raise $10 million, and the Jammin Music Entrepreneurship project, for which $6 million is being sought by the Agency for Inner City Renewal. They are among the initial 5 social intervention initiatives that were listed and came to market in 2019 when the JSSE was launched. Through these facilities, the entity focuses on using music and entrepreneurship initiatives to create an alternative pathway for young persons who would normally be engaged in illicit activities. The long-term goal is to provide learners with certification to facilitate their matriculation to tertiary education in music-based disciplines. The JSE boss is urging members of the diaspora, whom she says have indicating a key interest in engaging in social investments locally.